What happens to an acid or a base in a water solution? Activity. Take about 1 gram solid NaCl in a clean and dry test tube. Add some concentrated sulfuric acid to the test tube. There is a gas coming out of the delivery tube. The resulting air has no effect on the dry blue litmus leaf and the wet blue litmus leaf turns red. This experiment suggests that hydrogen ions in HCl are produced in the presence of water. The separation of H plus ion from HCl molecules cannot occur in the absence of water. HCl plus H2O gives H3O plus Cl minus. Hydrogen ions cannot exist alone, but they exist after combining with water molecules. Thus, hydrogen atoms must always be shown as H plus or hydronium ion. H plus H2O gives H3O plus. Acids give H3O plus or H plus AQ ion in water. What happens when a base is dissolved in water? NaOHS plus H2O gives Na plus AQ plus OH minus. KOHS plus H2O gives K plus AQ plus OH minus AQ. Bases generate hydroxide ions in water. Bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. Now, as we have identified that all acids generate H plus and all bases generate OH minus, we can view the neutralization reaction as follows. Let us see what is involved when water is mixed with an acid or a base. Activity. Take 10 ml water in a beaker. Add a few drops of concentrated H2SO4 to it and swirl the beaker slowly. Touch the base of the beaker. There is a change in temperature. The process of dissolving an acid or a base in water is a highly exothermic one. Care must be taken while mixing concentrated nitric acid or sulfuric acid with water. The acid must always be added slowly to water with constant stirring. If water is added to a concentrated acid, the heat generated may cause the mixture of splash out and cause burns. The glass container may also break due to excessive local heating. Look out for the warning sign on the can of concentrated sulfuric acid and on the bottle of sodium hydroxide pellets. Mixing an acid or base with water results in decrease in concentration of ions per unit volume. Such a process is called dilution and the acid or the base is said to be diluted.